You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is p greater than -2. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by -2.2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is p greater than -2.